Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete send friend request in your Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your request option. Now you can see here, see all. You have to press on this. Now you can see here, 3 dots. Click on it. Now click on view send request. From here, you can cancel or delete your send request. That's it. So this is how to delete send friend request in your Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.